Hello again, everyone. So today I decided to do a really quick unboxing or unbagging, as the case may be, of my recent order from Yoseka Stationary. And they are a really lovely little shop in New York City, and I've only purchased from them online. But they've been super sweet every time I've ordered from them and written me a really sweet little note. And they have a lot of products that are kind of not necessarily rare, but you can't get them as easily here in the United States as, say, Japan or someplace like that. And they have some limited edition things and that sort of stuff. So I'm just going to go ahead and dig right in and open this. I will put a link down below to Yoseka Stationary. I highly recommend them. They're great. So I'm just going to turn this bag around. I apologize for the crinkling. And just take the items out that are in here. And oh my goodness. They've folded a little piece of paper. So to mystery, open me. Okay, well, I'm gonna put these aside for just a second, and I am gonna open this. Let's see. Oops. Oh boy, it's so pretty. I hate to open it up, but they did say open me. So let's see. Oh my goodness, this is complicated. Okay. See, I mean, this is the kind of care that they take. I mean, this takes a lot of time. I'm always kind of surprised by how much care they take in packing everything. Okay, we're almost there. Oh my goodness, what a long note. So it says, "Dear Mystery, thank you for your order. I am loving the colors of your stationery in this package. We too are in a very spring mood." Yeah, you'll see. These are kind of spring-like. It feels like warm weather is so close these days. Sakura pick is such a pretty color. We hope you love it in your brush marker and eraser. We're so glad that you are trying out a Sailor 1911 Junior. Well, spoiler alert, that's what's coming up. We love the name. Mystery is my name. And love that they finally brought them over to the US, and we hope you love writing with them. Okay. And then it says, "Sincerely, Daisy and Neil at Yoseka Stationary. P.S. I was inspired by you to use some very pink stationery. I hope the origami heart wasn't too much of a hassle to open." Okay, well, that's very sweet, and it has this really nice paper that they made it out of. I'm definitely gonna. Oh, it looks like it actually had little grids to kind of show you how to make it. That's pretty cool. All right, well, I didn't want this to be too long of an unboxing, so we'll move on. So this is my Sailor 1911 Junior pen. And then they gave me a little sticker with their name on it. Put that aside too. And then I have a Tombow Mono 1 eraser in this pink color. If you can see. So it's just got this little eraser at the top, and then you can put it out. And I think they have these in normal colors like that they deal with all the time, but these are special edition colors, or this one is special edition colors, and they have several right now. So that's very cute. Put that aside too. Okay, and then this is Sailor Shikiori brush pen. So actually it has a brush pen on one side, and then a fine liner felt tip on the other side. Here, I'll so you can kind of see that. And actually, before I go on to the next things, well, I'll show you what I have, and then I'll do some sample tests in a piece of paper. So this is the Friction Light, the Natural Color Series, and this is in gray. So there you go. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to get my little ink notebook that I showed you before, and let's just test this out. Let's see what Oh, how pretty. Okay. And then I assume I could do thin, thick, thin. Very nice. I don't do a lot of lettering, but I would like to. And then there's the fine tip. So that is pretty good. I'm gonna put that aside. And let's see. I have never used a friction highlighter. That's what this is supposed to be. It seems a little dark for a highlighter, but I like the color. Let's see. So, oh, and it definitely erases as it's supposed to. Okay, well now I'm going to open up this Sailor fountain pen. I'm going to move this over to the side. You're still going to be able to see some of that up there in the corner. So I actually do have a Sailor 1911 pen, fountain pen, which I will show you at some point. And this has all the instructions here. Okay, I'm going to try and wing it because I do have one of the regular pens, and sometimes they put stuff underneath that. It doesn't look like they did this time. Okay, sometimes they do, so I always want to check. So I'm just going to put this box aside. And again, there's going to be a little bit of crinkling. I apologize. Oh, this is actually, I have to get some scissors. Okay. I'm going to cut that real quick. Put that aside. Okay, so that's really cute. This is the red color. They have several colors, some of them that have a clear body, which is nice, but I wanted to go with a solid color. I don't have any pens that are red like this, solid red, so I thought I would get this one. And with the 1911, the other one that I have, the nib is a gold nib, and this is just a steel nib, painted gold. Okay, so I'm actually going to try real quick to put ink in it and do a little test. And I'm just going to cut that. Apologize for the crinkling. Okay, let's just take one of these. Comes with 2 of these cartridges. So, okay, pretty simple in there. And usually it's that side. Let me... Okay, I think that's in there. And I usually try, I don't know if this is appropriate or not for fountain pens, but I do try to squeeze a little bit so that I can get the ink to kind of go down. Oop, and that's what could happen. That's why you don't do that. But I try to do that to get it down into the nib a little bit. And I don't have any napkins here. I'll have to do that after. Okay, so I'm going to see if it's actually, yeah. Oh, wow, that was fast. Okay. So let me put the back on it. Okay. Actually, I'm just going to wipe that on the page a little bit. So, ooh, that actually writes really nice. Hello. Yeah, that writes really great. I'm going to post it and see how that feels. Oh, and actually that feels really good for me. All right, so far it writes really well. This is just out of the box with no cleaning and just the cartridge that came with it put in there. Very nice. Okay, well, I'm gonna call it quits there because I didn't want to make this too long, but thanks for watching, and hopefully you'll check out Yoseka Stationary because they're really, really a great little shop. All right, again, thanks for watching. Feel free to like and or subscribe, and I will see you next time. All right, bye-bye.